My name is Tushar and I'm from Noida, and I went to Ukraine for my MBBS degree, and then I came back here. And you might know that conditions in Ukraine are not that good, so somehow I cleared my FMGE after coming back to India.
Are you a tea or a coffee lover?
I'm a coffee lover, but sometimes, like due to the weather, I'm a tea lover.
BTR or Mission Light?
I'm from Mission. Right?
Who is your
Top 3 favorite faculties?
My top 3 faculties would be Zainab ma'am, of course, because I was scared of radiology, but because of Zainab ma'am, I started to understand radiology. And the second one should be Amrit Nasta sir, surgery, because I was too scared from anatomy, but because of Nasta sir, I started to understand surgery also. And the third would be Goga sir, because pharmacology, it's too much to revise, but somehow I got to understand that I don't need to mug up everything.
Any dream holiday destination?
It should be Switzerland for me, because I love mountains.
Any Bollywood movie which you rewatch?
Bollywood movie should be Dhamal.
Favorite food you can eat anytime?
It would be Desi Chinese.
One superpower you wish to you had?
Going invisible.
First GT score
I think it was 160.
and last GT score.
It was 194.
For those students who want to know like how to improve GT score.
For GT score, I would say that you need to go through all your mistakes and you need to revise them again and again, because you need to bookmark them, which you got it wrong. And moreover, you should solve around 100 to 200 questions per day, every day.
What did you do when you feel low?
I used to watch movies, I used to listen to songs, I used to listen to my friends telling me about their success stories, no matter from which field they are, but I used to listen to their stories so that I can manifest myself into that.
Thank you.